Today I'm very happy that the AC of the Kala Academy Western Music section is finally operational from today. If you had seen our videos earlier where we as Kala Rakundman have been voicing up for Kala Academy as well as the problems being faced by the teachers and the students in the premises. After the renovation work, we've realized that a lot of work which has been done suddenly within a few months started having problems, and one most important thing were the ACs which are not operational. Now none of these classrooms have fans, and it's kind of an airtight rooms where the children learn music, and only AC were the only option where they could get some kind of coolness or ventilation or circulation of air that would happen. It's been like months now to end where it was not operational, and we as Kala Rakundman had stormed to the PWD officials, and we had also spoken to the chief engineer there, Mr. Parsikar, on the same regarding that the Western music classes AC is not operational and get it fixed as soon as possible. Children went to the summers as well as June month, which was very hot, through this process. And after persistent fight and following up, I would like to tell everyone that finally the ACs are operational. And I believe that when you voice up and when you take a cause to its further end, that's when you will see results. And today I also like to thank the new member secretary, Mr. Gaonkar, who had recently taken charge, and I have been following up with him on the same and constantly saying, sir, please get this fixed at the earliest. And he said, ma'am, I'm looking into it. And now we've got to know that it's operational from today. The teachers called me up to thank me and to say thank you for intervening in this matter, as we were suffering a lot and no one was hearing us. So people, all that I can say is, when you have something that you want to raise up, please bring it up with the officials and do not fear, because you're fighting for what is right and you're making it better for the people around. And Kala Academy is very dear to all of us, and especially at Kala Rakundman. We will make sure that any kind of problems that is faced by any artist and by any students or anyone in the premises of any kind of Ravindra Bhavans that are being built, please reach out to us so that we can take this issues and have an end solution to the problem. God bless you all and keep voicing up.